For decades, NASA has pioneered space exploration, constantly pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. Today, a new frontier is emerging: artificial intelligence. From designing cutting-edge materials to guiding robotic explorers on distant planets, AI is becoming an indispensable tool for NASA's ambitious missions. AI algorithms analyze vast data sets, enabling scientists to make groundbreaking discoveries and predict celestial events. Intelligent systems automate tasks, freeing up human operators for more complex endeavors. Furthermore, AI empowers autonomous spacecraft, enabling them to make real-time decisions and adapt to unforeseen challenges in the vast expanse of space. By harnessing the power of intelligent machines, NASA aims to accelerate scientific discoveries, enhance mission efficiency, and push the boundaries of human knowledge. The journey into the cosmos is filled with unknowns, and AI is emerging as a crucial companion, guiding us toward a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. In the realm of space exploration, every gram counts. Launching payloads into orbit is a costly endeavor, making lightweight yet incredibly strong materials essential for spacecraft construction. NASA engineers are leveraging AI algorithms to design and develop next-generation materials that can withstand the harsh conditions of space while minimizing weight. AI is changing this paradigm by rapidly analyzing vast databases of material properties and simulating their behavior under extreme conditions. This allows engineers to explore a much wider range of material combinations and designs than previously possible, leading to the discovery of novel materials with unprecedented strength-to-weight ratios. These AI-designed materials have the potential to significantly reduce the weight of spacecraft, making missions more fuel-efficient and cost-effective. Lighter materials also translate to increased payload capacity, allowing scientists to send more sophisticated instruments and equipment into space. By pushing the boundaries of material science, AI is paving the way for lighter, stronger, and more capable spacecraft, enabling us to reach further into the cosmos and unlock the mysteries of the universe. Exploring the vast expanse of space requires venturing into harsh and unforgiving environments, often beyond the reach of human explorers. This is where robotic explorers, guided by the power of AI, come into play. NASA's rovers and probes are equipped with sophisticated AI systems that allow them to navigate treacherous terrains, collect scientific data, and even make autonomous decisions. One shining example